This time, our travel hunt led us to the BayWatch Resort and Conference Center in North Myrtle Beach.
We booked online and found it was actually managed by Vacasa. Check-in was smooth. Check-in started at 4 p.m. and check-out time was at 10 a.m., which was pretty early for us.
The parking garage is located across the street from the resort. We found it to be very narrow and there weren't as many handicap spots available. There were, however, spots by the resort for loading and unloading your luggage. Now, I've stayed at this penthouse suite before and thought it was perfect for couples or parents with young adults because each room has an oceanfront view.
Now let's take a look inside.
We were able to do a few loads of laundry, which made it easier when we got home to unpack.
This is one of the bathrooms you first come to as you come into the condo. Standard bathroom. Everything was clean. You have a sink, your toilet, your shower, and it's right across the hall from the other room.
Across from this bathroom is the first bedroom. And we have two beds in here. I'm going to first show you the closet. Nice size for your coats and luggage. And then we have the two full-size beds, nice size, small TV. And then the best part of this room is this view.
This is a wraparound patio that goes from the first bedroom that you've seen just come out of. It goes all the way from there to the living room, back around to the other bedroom. So it's a nice view. Like I said, it's just an all-around view. That corner suite, both rooms and the living room and the dining room actually have a view of the ocean as well.
Now this is the second room with the two beds, so nice same size TV. And only thing different is that the bathroom connected is bigger. And this room doesn't come with the standard toiletries, so I just went to Dollar Tree and able to pick up any toiletries that we may have needed for our stay.
So this is our dining room and living room. Quite big, quite spacious. It could have been upgraded a little more. The furniture was a little dated and kind of worn, but other than that, it was great. Great stay.
And the biggest reason to get a beachfront property is this view.
Now let's tour finally our kitchen. Like the bathroom earlier, it could use a few more upgrades. It has all your standard appliances, your microwave, your stove, your dishwasher, and it actually comes with a coffee maker. There are a few pots and pans, and the refrigerator was definitely cleaned. Now this includes our stay here at BayWatch.